Hello, this is Lily. Good day, everybody. This kit is for all version Land Cruiser lc200 to lc300. This is this screen display. We can see here are many buttons, and this is AC grills. It's very smooth. And we can see we are offer all kinds of versions kits. This is the subwoofer speaker cover, and also we can the steering wheel is also for lc300. This door panels is for driver and passenger side. This panels is for the center console two-side part. This is inner side. Here we can see under the display, we can see this is the storage box. Can put some small items. And this is, we can see here inside is USB charges. Also, you can add extra plugs you want. This is a cigarette plug. This is the machine for the car from handbrake to electric brake. This is the cover of the center console. We can see here are two cup holders, and this is the gear cover. This is the inner side door handle. It's chrome color. This is the gear knob. There is a thread inside to connect the car. This is these buttons on the center console. This is the center console cover. You can see we also with the black leather. This is the air tube. Here we can see the back part for the center console. This is the AC grills, and we can see the seat function patterns. Also, we have some USB charge plugs here. We also can adjust the AC temperature. This is the dashboard and door trims. We offer the ambient light in this kit. We are car interior factory. Welcome to contact us for more information.